Google just accidentally leaked the future of computers, and honestly, it's not what anyone expected. Forget Chrome OS, what you're about to see could completely change how we think about laptops, and it happened because someone uploaded the wrong file. Real quick, smash that like button, share this with your tech friends, and subscribe because this story gets absolutely wild. So here's what happened. A Google engineer accidentally uploaded a bug report with 2 full-screen recordings inside showing a secret operating system called Aluminium OS running on an HP Elite Dragonfly Chromebook. Google saw it, immediately restricted access, but it was already too late. The footage was out there, and what we're seeing is genuinely game-changing. For years, Google has been running 2 completely separate systems: Chrome OS for laptops and Chromebooks, Android for phones and tablets. Aluminium OS merges them into one unified platform built specifically for computers. This isn't just Android on a bigger screen, this is Android 16 redesigned from the ground up for laptop use, and the leaked footage shows it's actually working. The recordings show split-screen multitasking with full Chrome browser windows running side by side, complete with extensions and tabbed browsing. The taskbar has moved toward the center, matching Android 16's new desktop design philosophy. The system build literally displays ALOS. The Google Play Store runs natively on the device, which means the entire Android app ecosystem would be available on laptops. And here's the part that actually matters for real-world use. You can update Chrome through the Play Store, and instead of just closing your browser without warning like Chrome OS does right now, it shows an updating screen and keeps all your tabs intact. Small detail, massive quality of life improvement. The status bar shows Android 16's redesigned interface with a Gemini AI assistant built directly into the system. Everything looks polished and ready. Google is betting that Android, the operating system running on billions of devices worldwide, can successfully power traditional laptops and compete with Windows and Mac OS. Same apps, same ecosystem, seamless experience across all your devices. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. Android still has serious problems on tablets and foldable devices. Apps don't scale properly, multitasking feels clunky compared to desktop systems. Industry experts are asking a legitimate question. Shouldn't Google fix Android on big screens first before launching an entirely new laptop operating system? That's a fair concern given Google's track record. Google hasn't officially announced Aluminium OS. They haven't even publicly admitted it exists, but this leak proves it's real, it's functional, and it's way closer to launch than anyone realized. So here's what I want to know. Will this revolutionize computing, completely replace Chrome OS, or become another ambitious Google project that quietly disappears? And more importantly, would you actually trust your entire workflow to an Android-powered laptop? Drop your thoughts in the comments because Google's about to force that decision on millions of people.